This is a meteorite that fell to Earth. Did you know that over 17,000 meteors similar to this one enter Earth's atmosphere every single day? That's almost one every 5 seconds. But here's the wild part: almost none of them actually make it to the ground as meteorites you can pick up and hold, like this one. So, where do they all go? Why are they so rare to find? Let's answer that question and talk a little Meteorite 101. Make sure to follow if you like learning about the cosmos through the lens of space rocks that fall to Earth, like this one. Most meteors are tiny, like grains of sand or small rocks, and they hit our atmosphere going up to 160,000 miles per hour. That much speed creates so much friction and heat that they burn up completely. Just a bright streak of light and then they're gone. But what about the larger ones? Well, those often explode midair due to atmospheric pressure, resulting in far fewer fragments making it to the surface and lots of those burning up as well. Now, even if a meteor survives that fiery trip through the atmosphere, there's a good chance we'll never find it. Why? Well, because 70% of the Earth is covered in ocean. Most meteorites just splash down and then disappear forever, and the ones that do land on solid ground might end up in remote forests, deserts, or Arctic regions where no one sees them fall, or the terrain just makes it very difficult to locate them. If someone does witness a fall, the clock is generally ticking pretty quickly. Once a meteorite hits the ground, Earth's environment starts working against it. Rain, humidity, and even soil can cause it to rust, crack, or break apart over time. Some meteorites are incredibly fragile, and in just a few years, they might be completely unrecognizable or gone altogether. In some cases, we've even seen carbonaceous chondrites that were so fragile they didn't survive their first rainstorm after landing. We're talking about meteorites that weathered away in hours. Some last for a lot longer, but some not very long at all. Take a look at the difference between these two meteorites. One is very dark with a fresh fusion crust. You can tell that it was recovered immediately and has very little weathering effect. The other was probably on Earth for years before being recovered. This meteorite only survived as long as it did because it fell in an arid desert and wasn't subject to the destructive impact of a high humidity environment. Even still, its fusion crust has faded, it's cracked from moisture invasion, and several parts of it have worn away over time. Stone meteorites like these will not last as long on Earth as iron meteorites, and there are a lot of factors at play here. Finding a real meteorite is a rare and exciting thing. It's a rock from space that beat the odds and lived to tell the story. Some people spend years hunting for meteorites before they find them. While many fall, few survive.